So I was going to make this an entire course that I was going to sell online for about $50, but I'm going to give this to you here for free on YouTube. Let's do it. Hey fellow entrepreneurs, Jay is back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 over and over with ClickBank, again with this viral product that is making a lot of YouTubers going viral. This is a new tool that is fairly new to the market. It's only been around for about a year or two. It is currently an amazing product to promote, and the best part is this is a great strategy for beginners. This is not going to be your usual copy your link, go and post it on social media. This is going to be something completely new, and you don't need any money to start, because I'm going to give you all the tools and resources you need in this video, and each step is super important. And because I'm giving this to you guys for completely free, I only ask for one favor, two favors actually. Make sure you subscribe to the channel with the bell on, and also promise me that you're going to take action after you watch this video, as I want to see you guys get results. But if you guys are ready for this value-packed video, make sure to stick with me and stay close attention to each and every step. But let's get into it. So the first step that we need to do is we need to head over to ClickBank. For those of you who don't know, ClickBank is the #1 affiliate marketing place where you can offer courses, products that you don't even need to own yourself. You're basically selling other people's products and earning a commission from that, anywhere between 30 and 80% a product. You can create an account on ClickBank. ClickBank is not available in all countries, but you can sign up anywhere in the world if you just use a VPN and connect your VPN to the United States, and you'll be able to sign up. Once you've signed up your account, you want to head over to the affiliate marketplace, and the product that I'm going to use is called Video Marketing Blaster, and I've actually been using this myself, and I have ranked 3 videos that are going viral on my channel. You can see they've got about 5 to 7k views using this tool, and you can see right here the Video Marketing Blaster ranks on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. Your average sale is about $19.76 to $20 per sale, and this applies for any product. You can use this for any product in any niche, but I think this specific method will definitely suit this product I've got right here very well. So what we're actually going to do is, now that we've got our affiliate link, our product that we're going to promote, we are going to build stunning mint landing pages that we can promote on Facebook, Instagram, all the different free and paid traffic methods. We're going to get people to click on that landing page, view it. I'm going to show you how to build it from scratch right now. And then we're going to get sales through our affiliate links. So the nice thing about this is you're not going to get banned on Facebook ads or Instagram ads, because I know they don't allow affiliate marketing links. So you're sort of using a landing page or bridge page in the middle, protecting you from that. So what we're going to do is you first need to get hosting and a domain. So you can go to a website called infinityfree.net. You can sign up a free domain and free hosting, and you can install WordPress with the click of a button. Once you've installed WordPress on your domain, if you're not sure how to do that, make sure to watch my previous video called Building a $5,000 Dropshipping or Drop Servicing Business Live. I actually teach you how to install WordPress, get hosting for free, step by step. Once you've installed WordPress, you want to come over to your domain. So in my case, I'm going to use my main website, jaredfroneman.com/WP-admin, and it's going to take me to my dashboard that looks like this. And there are 2 main tools that we need to install. So we need to head over to the plugins tab. You can see right here, plugins, add new. And it's going to pop up with a search bar or a whole bunch of plugins already. You want to type in the search bar Elementor, which is the builder that we're going to use to build our amazing sales funnel. So you'll see it's got an install button like this. Click on install, then click on activate, and you will see Elementor over here. And another tool we need to install is Instabuilder right here. You can see Instabuilder 2.0. Which is on this website right here, that goes for $197. But I'm going to give this to you completely for free. I've actually got the zip file for this plugin right here, Instabuilder. The zip file, which I can send to you directly, and you can download and install that on your WordPress dashboard completely for free. So you are saving a whopping $197. But in order to get this, all they ask is subscribe down below with the notifications on, and comment down below that you've done so, and I'll reply to your comment with the download link. It's essential that you do that, because you are going to need this builder for this method. And you can see right here, once it's installed, I will leave a link to a video in the description on how to install it, but you can go to your plugins, add new, and you can just click upload plugin over here, and you just upload the zip file and it will be done, and it will pop up over here on your menu bar called Instabuilder 2.0. Now once that's installed, you've got Elementor and Instabuilder. You want to click on new page. We're only going to build one single beautiful landing page. And you can see you are given a ton of free templates already with Instabuilder, hundreds of them. You've got text squeeze, video squeeze, mini squeeze, opt-ins pages, text sales pages, video sales pages. And the one I'm going to use is a video sales page because I've actually got a video of this. You can see they've actually got a video here for you that you can use. And we're going to rebuild a landing page pretty much just like this one right here. So I'm just waiting for my templates to load. There we go. We've got some awesome designs here already. I'm going to use this one right here. I like this blue color. So I'm going to then click on choose. There we go. And it's going to take you to this basic drag and drop builder. I can literally click on each thing and edit it with the click of a button. It's a drag and drop builder. It's very simple to use and very easy for beginners to build amazing landing pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some influence from this page. So you can see 3 clicks are all you need to do or rank on Google and YouTube. So I'm going to literally copy that and use that as my heading. Let's make this a little bit bigger. All you want to do is you want to customize your fonts, your colors of your fonts. So let's like make this maybe a red color. So let's go text color red. We can do rank on Google. We can do like a blue color. So there we go. Then for the little subtext here, I'm going to come back to Video Marketing Blaster. I'm literally just going to copy this as is and paste and use the same text. So there we go. Let's just paste that. Let's centerize it and make it white. There we go. Centerize. There we go. Let's just increase the size a bit. Maybe to heading 5. Heading 4. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Get a tidal wave of free targeted traffic instantly without knowing any SEO, without building backlinks or writing any content. What I'm going to do is I'm then going to embed this video into my video sales page. So you can see right here, this little picture here. I'm going to right click, open new image, and I'm going to save this. Click the play button below. I'm going to come back to my WordPress site. You can see right here on all of your elements. I'm going to drag over an image element right here. So in order to upload the image to the site that we've downloaded, come back to your dashboard, click on media. You then want to click on add new item, click select files, go to the folder that you've downloaded that picture. You can save it. So all we're doing is we're downloading we're learning how to download images and upload that to our landing page just to make it more attractive. You can see it's done. It's over here. So now we can come back to our page builder in the other tab, click on the action button, click on upload and select the image that is now downloaded over here. So you can see right here, click the play button below to find out more. So I actually found a very nice review video that we can use off of YouTube on our landing page right here. You can see this is a video by the creator himself called Vlad, who actually showed proof in this 1-minute video how he ranked a video on the #1 page of Google in less than 10 minutes. So what you can do is you can use the same video if you're using the same product. If you're using a different product, find a Creative Commons video on YouTube that maybe reviews the product and you can use that on your landing page. And what you want to do is to add this video we found on YouTube to our building page. We want to come over to this video section, click on it, click on the little settings icon, click on embedded code. You want to then come back to this YouTube video, click on share, and you'll see there's an embedded code option. Then copy all of this code that they have here, close that, come back to your builder page and paste this embedded code right there. And once that's done, you can see I can save this and then I'll be able to preview this page. And there you go. I've got my video that's playing here that is really nicely promoting the product. And it's a 1-minute video that shows proof that it literally takes 3 clicks to rank your video on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. Then you've got your click to add to cart. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually change this a little bit because remember we're using our affiliate link now. So we're going to link this button to our affiliate link on ClickBank where they're going to make the sale and you're going to earn a commission for that. So if I come back to this builder page, I'm going to go to button text. I'm going to change this to maybe order now. But if you actually come and look at the Video Marketing Blaster page, you can see right at the moment, it is currently 70% or $70 off. So what I'm going to do is order now for $70 off here. There we go. So that looks much better than add to cart. It's something I think a lot more people will click on because obviously they want specials. They want to spend as little as money as possible. And now all we're going to do is we're going to link this button to our affiliate link. So you can see here, target link. We're going to come back to ClickBank, click on promote. You can see right here, enter your account name. So that's my account username that you sign up when you sign up with ClickBank. Click generate hop links and you can see your link right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over to bit.ly or bit.ly where I can shorten my link and track the number of clicks that my link gets. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to paste this long URL, click on create, and you'll see your little URL has now been created. Copy this, come back to your builder page and paste this bit.ly link. And let's open this in a new tab and click on save. Now you'll see when I land on this page, let's say I'm a client that lands on this page, I'm going to read you 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google. Click the play button below to find out more. So I'm going to play this video. I'll see how he proves it, and if I'm interested in it, I will click on this button right here, which will take me to my affiliate page. You'll see where this will take me now. Where it will take me to my affiliate page. You can see right here, the hop is by my name, and they can then click buy now. And then the customer will basically click on buy now. Once they place their order, you're going to get your commissions on your ClickBank account with an average sale of $19 to your account, which is really good. So there we go. The customer can now place this order on the checkout page. And once that's done, you're going to earn your commissions, which is really fantastic. So you can now copy this page or this link. So you can see I've saved it. If I now come back to my dashboard on WordPress, if I come back to Instabuilder dashboard, you can see right here, I've got my page here. There we go. You can see my latest one here. I just haven't renamed it. It's called jaredfroneman.com clean video 3.2. I haven't changed the links in that yet. Now what you can do is you can copy this link. You can see if I land on this page, it's going to take me to this professional landing page that I've just built now from scratch. Now what you can do is you can go to Facebook ads. You can run a Facebook ads with that same video marketing video. You can download this to your local computer. You can also go to Instagram, and you can also come over to Twitter. And this is one I really recommend for the strategy. So you can come over to Twitter. You can come over to a page like quotes, and you can see here people actually retweet products on this page to a network of 4.7 million followers with their link in the thread. So you can see right here, here's the link to the product. People will go and see this. You can see right here, 260 likes. People are interested in this product, they'll go and click on it. So what you can do is you can basically upload or ask or pay for a shout out from quotes. It's probably about $20 to $30, and you can upload this video. You can send them this video and say, hey, this is how I ranked on YouTube and Google in less than 10 minutes. Here's the proof. If you're interested in this tool, click on the link in the thread, for example. So you can basically use Instagram influencing to get a ton of traffic as well. So you can come over to a website like influencer.yrcharisma.com, which is a platform where you can pay Instagram accounts with tons of followers for shoutouts. You can see this is what it looks like. So you can look at the various different niches. We can maybe use, let's go lifestyle. It's maybe a good niche to use. And you can see a whole bunch of gigs. You can see right here, this person has a follower network of 5,000 followers and they're charging $50 for a shoutout. Let's also use the entrepreneurship niche. I know this product is something a lot of entrepreneurs would use. You can see right here, $30 for a shout out on a follower network with 51K. Here's one with 12K. So, I mean, you can get this link, this video. You can ask them to promote this video with your link to this landing page that you've created on your dashboard or on WordPress right now. And then people will then click on your affiliate link and you will get your sale. So there's a ton of various different traffic methods. You can also come over to Google and you can go best free traffic methods, and you will find a ton of articles. You can get listed in online directories, post to social media. Whatever you do is post on your Instagram, Facebook, post it everywhere, emails, blogs. There's so many different ways you can get a ton of traffic to your link. But if you guys enjoyed the strategy on how to build your own sales pages for ClickBank products that you don't even need to offer, it's a very powerful model, I believe. Comment down below what you think of the strategy. Also, don't forget to comment down below that you've subscribed with the bell on so you can get your copy of Instabuilder 2.0 marked down from $197 to completely for free. But also leave a like on this video if you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate all of your support, and make sure that you try and take action on this method. I think this can go really well for some of you, or for all of you who put your minds to this and can do it. It will work. But if you guys want to join my private Facebook down below where you can message me directly, you can ask my private group different ways to make money online. There will be sneak peeks to behind the scenes on my channel, sneak peeks in my personal life, also of upcoming videos. But make sure you go and click on that link, and you can also message me directly there if you need help. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.